Now that we've added some additional pages to our wiki, it's time to go into our packing list and begin creating a list of packing materials that our students are needing to bring with them. To begin, go ahead and click on the Edit tab, and then inside of the text editing field, below Packing List, hit 2 line returns. To create a subheading, go ahead and hit == space Coral Group space ==. Hit a line return, and now to create a bulleted list, we can begin by simply clicking on the button in our toolbar for a bulleted list. We can now see that the markup for a bulleted list is simply an asterisk in front of the line of text. So let's go ahead and add some items to our list. The first item that the Coral Group is going to need to bring with them is some duct tape. We can then hit return on our keyboard, type in another asterisk instead of going back up to the toolbar, and then type in cable ties. Hit return again, another asterisk, underwater camera, hit return. And now when you bring an underwater camera with you, you're also going to need some additional items to go with that camera. So to add in additional bullets that are tabbed in underneath of the first bullet, all we have to do is type in asterisk asterisk and then list out each of the items. So the first item we'll need are some batteries. Hit return. Again, 2 asterisks. We'll also need a laptop to download our pictures to. Hit return. 2 asterisks. And assorted cables. Great. Let's go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom and see how this looks. So we'll scroll down, we'll click the Save button, and now we have our top level heading, our subheading. We even have a table of contents that's being built for us automatically here at the top. As we scroll down even further, we can see that each of the items in our bulleted list has a nice bullet out to the side, and then items underneath of our digital camera where we have the 2 asterisks are tabbed in with their additional bullets. Okay, great. Go ahead and hit the Edit button, and now let's add the other group. So at the end of assorted cables, hit return a couple of times. We'll make another level 2 heading, which is == space fish group space ==, hit return. And now we're going to create an ordered list for this group. Now an ordered list is the same thing as an unordered list, only this time when we click the button up here on our toolbar that has the 1, 2, 3 and the dashes, we'll see that the markup for this list has a £sign indicating a number is going to be added instead of the asterisk. So let's go ahead and add the first item into our list, which is a spectrophotometer. We'll hit return on our keyboard, type in another £sign. We'll also need some cable ties, hit return, hit the £sign again, and we're going to need some duct tape. Go ahead and scroll to the bottom of the page, hit the Save button, and let's check our work. When we scroll down, we can see now that we have both a bulleted list and an ordered list. Excellent. Now that we know how to apply this formatting, let's return back to our wiki homepage by clicking the home link that we created. Scroll down, and here we have our additional pages, and it lists out each item one after another. Let's go ahead and turn those items into a bulleted list. So hit the Edit button. Since our page is already laid out nice and cleanly for us, all we have to do is right in front of the left-hand brackets for each of these items, we'll simply add an asterisk. And now when we scroll down to the bottom, we can hit the Save button. And now our additional pages has a nice cleanly formatted list. In the next movie, we'll go ahead and begin adding some more content into our Coral Group page and look at adding some images to that page.